one simple recipe can help you lose weight. The results come really fast, which is the best thing about it. You can lose 5 kilograms in a week. These are the needed ingredients for the recipe. 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 250 milliliters of boiled water. Instructions. In the boiled water add the cinnamon powder. Leave the water to cool down and then add the honey. The honey should not be added in hot water because its nutrients will be destroyed. Drink this beverage every day if you want to notice the results after a short period of time. Why are these ingredients helpful? Some studies have shown that when sucrose is replaced with honey it can prevent weight gain, while another study showed that it can activate hormones that suppress the appetite. Honey boosts and speeds up the metabolism, which helps the body to burn fat. It is healthier than sugar, so it does not trigger a sugar rush, but it is gradually and progressively absorbed into the body. Cinnamon stabilizes sugar levels and increases the metabolism of glucose. It prevents high blood sugar levels to increase storage of fat. Moreover, this spice improves the function of cinnamon, which leads to losing weight. Cinnamon and honey clean parasites, fungus and bacteria in the digestive tract. Also, you will feel satiate.